Hey, we're at the National Hardware Show looking at some of the cool things here at the show, and that brought me out to the Proud Grill Company booth. And I've got Paul here. Paul, this Q-Swiper, tell us more about this.
Sure. It's a new way to clean your grill. You're going to use a new grill cleaning wipe. It's moistened with food contact safe cleaning agents. Those nodules there help lift the grime. The moisture helps absorb the grease. And you're going to put it on just like you would a Swiffer. You're going to just take it like that, put it just in like that. And then you're going to go and use a stainless steel scraper. We can come over here. You're going to go across the grill, get all the hard stuff on, then go in between. Then you're going to take the Q-Swiper cloth and go across the grill. And after you're done, it's going to look like that. That's what you're eating on right now. So not only is it bristle-free and wire-free, but you're cleaning your grill with a new wipe every time. You're not reusing that dirty grill brush time and time again to try to clear the dirty grill grease. It doesn't make any sense.
Wow, that's a great product. If people would like to go out and get this, where can they go find this product?
Yeah, they can go on to proudgrill.com and find it there, and we are retailers at True Value and at Amazon.com as well.
That sounds great. We'll put those links in the description below so you guys can check this out. But if you want to clean that grill so you can actually almost see it shine, oh my gosh, that's really cool, Paul. We'll put that down there. Check it out.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.